Welcome back to Car Legacy, your go-to channel for all the latest updates and insights on the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of cutting-edge cars, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases on the horizon, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla has been making waves with its bold electric vehicles, and the Cybertruck is set to take things to the next level. With a radical design and unmatched performance specs, it's turning heads in the automotive industry. Let's explore what makes this electric pickup truck stand out, and why it's getting so much attention ahead of its release. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck marks a significant step in the evolution of electric vehicles, particularly in the pickup truck category. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, the Cybertruck is poised to compete with established electric pickups like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Rivian Roan-T. The Cybertruck's futuristic and unconventional design remains one of its most talked-about features. Its angular stainless steel exoskeleton is not just for show, it's built for durability and strength, with the ability to withstand extreme impacts and resist corrosion. The truck's unique appearance is complemented by a massive 18.5-inch touchscreen in the cabin, offering seamless integration with Tesla's software, along with a panoramic glass roof that gives a sense of openness. There are several configurations of the 2025 Cybertruck to cater to different needs. The base rear-wheel drive model is priced around $61,000 and provides a 250-mile range with a 7,500-pound towing capacity. Moving up, the all-wheel drive version, starting around $80,000, offers a 340-mile range and a negative 180,000 towing capacity. The top-tier Cyberbeast, priced around $100,000, features a tri-motor setup and can accelerate from 0-60 mph in just 2.6 seconds, all while maintaining a towing capacity of 100 pounds. These variations offer a range of performance options, from efficient daily driving to high-speed heavy-duty hauling. When it comes to performance, the Cybertruck excels in both off-road capability and on-road driving dynamics. Tesla's advanced electric motor technology ensures strong acceleration and excellent traction control. The Cybertruck can handle demanding tasks like towing heavy loads or navigating rough terrains, while offering an enjoyable driving experience. The interior is designed with both utility and comfort in mind. It offers up to 6 seats, spacious legroom, and practical features like multiple 120V outlets to power tools or devices. The integration of Tesla's software ensures a seamless experience with features such as over-the-air updates, media controls, and navigation. While Tesla has made strides in production, there are still some challenges to address. Quality control issues and production delays have been reported, but the company is working on scaling up output. By 2025, Tesla